Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a simple rose step by step. So for step 1, what you're going to be doing is just draw the rough shape of your rose. For the petals, just draw rectangles and triangles. Okay, now time for step 2. For step 2, what you want to do is, with the rough shape that you just drew out, darken it like what I'm doing right now. It's not that hard actually. So you can see me drawing the petals, right? That's from the rough shape. And from the rough shape, what you can do is just draw just random shapes like triangles, rectangles, circles. And then from that, build up just random jagged lines. And then make petals. It's not very hard to draw petals actually. Okay, now it's time for step 3. For step 3, what you want to do is just do some shading. What I'm doing here is just shading from dark tones all the way to light tones. So how you can do this is draw really dark and then loosen the amount of stress you're giving to the pencil. And then what that does is just give it a really nice tone from dark all the way to light. That's what I'm using here. See, dark, and then I'm shading it from dark to light. What this does is just give it some realism. Okay, so time for step 4, last part. What you want to do is just use your eraser and then from the tips of the petals, just erase some parts really lightly, not too hard. And that's all. Here's my end product. If you want, just do this and then take a photo and send it to me on Instagram. Links in the description. That's about it for this video. See you tomorrow. Bye!